It's my 73 Dodge Charger, little project in progress. It's a little paint job, little love, but she'll be looking beautiful once she's done. Cleaning out the wheel wells right now. I actually did a pretty good job on that. Got them ready for paint. Took up all the buildup that was on there. Same thing on that side.